In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money internationally safely using Remitly. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your Remitly account. Make sure you are signed in and on the main screen before moving forward. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're using the official app or website so your transfer is handled securely. Once you're in, look at the country shown at the top of the screen. Click on it and select the specific country where you want to send money. This step is important because Remitly will tailor the transfer options, delivery methods, and payment details based on the destination country. After selecting the correct country, click Send Money to begin the transfer process. Next, you'll choose who you're sending money to. If the recipient's contact information has already been saved in your account, simply click on their contact to continue. This can save time and also helps reduce the chance of entering details incorrectly. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact and then select their country. Be sure to choose the correct country here as well, since recipient details and transfer options may vary depending on location. After that, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment to review the amount carefully before moving on. It's helpful to check both the amount you are sending and, if shown, the amount the recipient is expected to receive. That way, you can avoid confusion and make sure the transfer matches your intention. From there, select the delivery method. Depending on the country, this could include options such as bank deposit or other available delivery services. Choose the one that works best for your recipient. After choosing the delivery method, select your payment method. This is how you will pay for the transfer, so make sure you pick the option that is most convenient and secure for you. Once everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details if required. Carefully fill in the information exactly as requested, and double-check everything before submitting. Small mistakes in account details can delay the transfer, so it's worth taking an extra moment here. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to complete the transaction. Remitly will guide you through any remaining confirmation steps. Before you finish, review the full transfer summary one last time to make sure all the details are correct. Once confirmed, your international money transfer will be on its way safely.